Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm bringing you a huge grocery haul. This one cost me probably about $200 and I got tons of things. Also, if my camera is super shaky, I'm so sorry. I just got done getting like steroid treatments for my MS, so my hands are a little But anyway, I'm going to show you what I got. I am participating in the South Beach diet and I've lost about 7 pounds so far. So this is a relatively healthy food haul. It has a lot of fresh things, a lot of protein, all plant-based, except for obviously dairy. But even then, I'm still trying to like avoid cheeses. Like I'm not gonna like not eat things that have dairy in them, but I'm not gonna actively put cheese and stuff on my food, if you know what I mean. Tons of healthy snacks for Shiloh, tons of just things that we were running low of, and still out of breath. But yeah, let's get into this food haul. So here's the grocery haul. It covers the entire table. I spent so much money on this. I actually found Walmart cheaper than using like Target shopping, so I'm happy I was able to get all this done. Shiloh. She was such a big help with getting groceries in the house. So for Shiloh, I got some Lunchables. There's only 2 of them here since we still had some from the last shopping trip. And then I'm really into these protein shakes lately. I make a ton of them myself. If you guys are interested in like some protein shake recipes, let me know because I do mix and match them myself. I also got some protein bars. These ones I really like. I got these ones because I haven't tried them yet, but I love chocolate and I also love strawberries, so I grabbed those too. This is one I'm really looking forward to. And then I do love these. These remind me of like Pop-Tarts. They're so good. There's only like 100 calories in them, and they're just absolutely delicious. For a healthy cereal alternative, I did get Honey Bunches of Oats. I usually get the Special K, but they were out of stock this time. So I'm going to try this one, and then if I can't get it, I'm just going to get it delivered from Target. And then for Shiloh, I also got her some of these Go-Go Squeezes because she really likes these. Now for some of the freezer stuff, I got her some no sugar added popsicles. She really likes these ones, and I also stocked up on some waffles for her. Between waffles and cereal, she's good to go. Got some Boca burgers. These ones are my favorite besides the Beyond Burgers. And then I absolutely love these things. These are tofu scrambled breakfast wraps, and they are so yummy. Moving on to the fresh stuff, I did get some like grape tomatoes. We haven't been eating tomatoes lately, so I wanted to get back into the habit of getting those on my salad. I also got some sliced white mushrooms and a giant watermelon. I'm so excited for watermelon. I love snacking on these at night. I also picked up some more chocolate protein powder because I love making the chocolate peanut butter protein powders, the protein drinks I mean. And then I usually eat a lot of popcorn, and with popcorn you're supposed to eat it with a protein, so I always put almonds in it, and this is the kind I get. I got some grapes for Shiloh, some romaine lettuce, and I also got some green leaf lettuce for the guinea pigs, and 2 heads of broccoli. Bananas for my protein shake. This I mix with this and then some peanut butter powder. I got my yogurts. I am trying to get ones that have more protein in them, so I got the Light and Fit. I'm actually excited for this one. I think this is like key lime pie. And then I got some strawberries and baby carrots. Now I do eat a lot of popcorn because it is a low-calorie snack. And I got these because I thought these would help flavor it, because I usually just pop it myself in the microwave in like one of the loose kernel things. You know what I mean. So I got those to kind of season it with. I'm not going to use too much of it, though. I also got some tofu and some tofu deli slices. We eat those with sandwiches and stuff. And then I got some wheat bread. All of my pastas and breads have been switched over completely to wheat, except for these, because rolls. And then I also got some sugar-free blueberry muffins and some eggs because I need to increase my protein, so eggs is a great source of protein. Over here I got Shiloh some more Danimals. She's going through these like crazy. And then I also got some broccoli cheddar soup. These are actually really good. I didn't think they would be, but they're the only broccoli cheddar soup that isn't made with chicken broth. I also got Shiloh some more cheese sticks, as well as some sliced mild cheddar. She loves these on her sandwiches, along with like pickles, and then the deli slices as mentioned. I grabbed some whipped topping. I meant to get the dairy-free one, but they were out of stock. And then I also got some pasta sauces. And once again, wheat pasta because everything is switched over to wheat or brown rice. Jerry wanted some chocolate, so I got him some Dove. And then this is my guilty pleasure. I love peanut butter, I love peanut M&Ms. I love to snack on them. And then I got some orange juice. It has some pulp. I like it with lots of pulp. And then I got some soy milk and almond milk. I did get some of these. It's upside down. Every time I order, I always try to get like a box of tissues, some toilet paper, or like paper towels just to have them. And then I got these jumbo tiger paws. Shiloh likes to snack on these as well. And then I got her some sugar-free Jellos and some little muffin bites. I actually used to love those as a kid, but I don't eat them too much these days. And then for juices for Shiloh, I got her some Honest Kids. She likes this Berry Good lemonade one. And then I just decided to get her some Roaring Water ones because she really likes the flavored waters. She's obsessed with the bubbly from Target, so I also got some of those. But those are in the kitchen. Here's my mess of a kitchen. I will break those down and fold them away. Over here, I got some cherry bubbly, lime bubbly, some blackberry bubbly. This one's my favorite. And then some raspberry. I think between the 4 of these, I like these 2 the most. But I absolutely love bubbly water. So that's it for the food haul. Like I said, I did spend about like $200 on this. We are a family of 3, and a majority of the stuff was healthy and just fresh stuff. I am trying to incorporate more home-cooked meals and just kind of really getting into cooking. If you guys want to see some of my vegetarian recipes, I have a really nice one for like vegetarian tuna fish, which is made with like chickpeas, onions, and celery. Like, we are vegetarian, we're not vegan, and once again, sorry for the shaky camera, my hands don't work. But anyways, I'm gonna put this stuff away. I may record it, I may not, find out. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more like this, please hit subscribe as well as the bell. I'm gonna be getting in more into videos very soon, once my treatment is all done and the whole 9 yards. But anyways, I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. I'm gonna probably try to include kind of a kitchen tidy up in this, and we'll find out. So here's my fridge at the moment. As you can see, it's a little empty and unorganized. So I'm gonna go through and just kind of organize this and get things put where they need to go. And just kind of clean it up a bit just because things have been just thrown in here and yeah, just tossed. These shelves need to really be organized.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless.
So all of the fridge stuff is put away. It was such a tight squeeze. I have some leftovers down here and then some things that needs to get used up here, like these hash browns and some pesto. But so far everything fit in here. It looks a little cluttered up here, but after a couple dinners it will definitely be a lot more organized. I cleaned up the cheeses and everything here, and then her snack drawer is just overflowing with yogurt. So I kind of organized a little bit off screen as well. I put some juice boxes in here and some of her snacks. This needs to be all reorganized and just kind of like decluttered, but that's for another video. I put like the little snacks in here, pickles, the protein shakes, and protein bars and stuff are over here. This I really didn't have a place for it because there's one back here that needs to be eaten. But yeah, this is the pantry. And then here is the fridge and freezer. It's all nice and stocked. This should last us a little while, definitely a little over 2 weeks. Especially because we have all of this fake meat and protein and then all the fresh stuff. We also have a ton of canned stuff in the pantry that you guys probably didn't see. But I'm so happy with today's video and my food shopping, and yeah. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another food haul video. I really hope you guys got some inspiration to get up and organize your fridge, put away your groceries, and got some ideas for food. If you guys wanted to see some like vegetarian recipes, let me know. Like I said, I am following the South Beach diet, so all of that is definitely very friendly, low calorie, whole 9 yard. But anyways, if you like today's video, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my future uploads, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in the comments and in the next video. Bye!